Hey everyone, so actually I was just toning my face before I start this tutorial. Okay, so a couple of days before I had posted this photo on Instagram, and actually today I'm going to be recreating that very photo. I'm going to take you step by step on how I put all these products, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so skincare first. So I'm going to go in with this cream. Now I'm gonna go in with some lip balm. Now I'm gonna go in with some primer. Next, I'm gonna go with this color corrector to correct all my discolorations. Just gonna blend it with the beauty blender. Next up, foundation. Back to blending it. Now I'm gonna go into concealer. As you can see, I'm using two shades of concealer. One is a lighter concealer and the other is my natural skin color concealer. So basically the lighter concealer is the concealer which I'm going to use to highlight my face, and the normal concealer is where I'm just going to use it to conceal. Going in with the normal concealer shade first, I love this brush tip applicator because I can just use this exactly where I want. Gonna blend it away again. Now moving on to the brighter concealer to just brighten the certain areas of my face. Brightening up my chin, under my cheekbones. I'm gonna blend everything away. Now moving on to contour, I'm just taking a dark shade of my foundation color and I'm just gonna contour my face. Once again, blend. I'll move on to powder next. Let's get rid of the shine where it's not needed. Let's get rid of the shine on the forehead. Let's not forget the neck. Now moving on to the brows. I'm gonna lightly fill in my brows. Now moving on to contour, I'm just gonna snatch up this nose. Gonna take a fluffy brush and just contour these cheekbones as well. Contour a little bit on the chin. Okay, now time to apply some eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using this shade as my base. Now to deepen up the base color, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Now I'm gonna go in with this silver shade and just place it on the eyelid. Now that we got the grey down, let's place on the black. Before I place on the black eyeshadow, I'm just gonna place on some tape so I get like this proper, nice wing. Now I'm gonna go in with this black eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna darken the outer part. I'm gonna keep adding and darkening these edges. I'm gonna go back into that silver to pop it up. Now I'm gonna go in with this Lakme black eyeliner and I'm just gonna line my eyes. I'm just gonna add these little heart stickers to the eyes. I'm gonna stick the stickers on with some lash glue. Repeat the same with the other eye. Now let's go into some mascara. Now for some false eyelashes. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this eyeliner. I'm slightly going to attach this line to the inner corners and just blend it out. Now with the smudger brush, I'm just going to lightly smudge it. Now that both the eyes are smudged, let's move on to the lower lash line mascara. Now that my makeup's complete, I'm going to move on to blush. For highlighter, I'm using a goldenish shade and I'm going to emphasize my cheekbones. Gonna highlight above the eyebrow, on the nose. Also gonna highlight a little bit in the inner corner. Now I'm gonna go in with the dark brown lip liner. I'm going to go in with the darker brown lip liner and I'm just going to outline my lips to give more dimension. Now I'm going to go in with a nude lip liner. I'm just going to lighten the inner lip. Now I'll just go in with a nude lip shade to just lighten up the inner lips of mine. I'm gonna just place it on the center of the lip. Now that we're done with the lips, let me just sort out my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that my hair is done, I've combed it and put it in a nice little ponytail. My fringes are definitely way too long and they need a cut. But yeah, so anyways, this is the completed look and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.